Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this morning, Darren and I have hosted the Pastel Princess Collab. And I'd like to thank everyone that has joined in on this collab. And that is Dory's Dolly's, Ellie Nefret, Irene Huff's Doll Space, Dolly Lane 19, Doll Yokai, Lena's Doll World, The Dainty Seamstress, Inspired by Pink Renee Loves, Family Detroit, and Lehman Philman. And we have each taken well, not everybody has the same doll, but most of us have used a pink-haired Blythe doll. Some of these Darren and I sent out as a gift for the collab. We've done this for several years now. In the spring or summer, we've sent out, usually pink-haired too, isn't it, Darren?
You know what, I don't remember.
Blythe dolls to 5 or 6 people, and we all do the collab together, and then we ask others to join us. This is my Pastel Princess. Darren made, let's pick this up, the 2 cats. They're just for fun in pastel colors. We don't have pastel. I like color. So my pastel isn't really pastel. Darren made the stands. Let me pull her out of it. I love these. And yes, we do sell those on our website. And he made the cute little shoes, and I gave her white because springtime. This dress I love. It was made by Alexandra's Doll World. And she is in Croatia, and she has a video once a week making clothes for a Blythe doll. And she had made me this a while back, and I thought, how cute would that be? See the pastel colors on the trim, I just love, and we love purple and the purple flowers. This, see, I don't have pastel. This is supposed to be like a wedding crown, and it didn't come out exactly like I had envisioned, but I like it. It worked out okay. And then I carried the pearl, since I didn't have, I'm going to take this off a second to show you her. I carried the pearl theme since I did not have any pastel beads. I carried that into her pull string. Darren made these, he makes these pull rings in all sorts of colors. I love them. That's as pastel as it gets. I put Pastel Princess on her pull rings. She has aquamarine for March. That's my birthstone earrings. And I did her little face up. She needed her bangs trimmed more. She has the pink eyebrows. And I want to show you her eyelids.
She has turquoise eyeliner, it looks like.
Yeah, turquoise eyeliner. Well, it's shadow with the brown eyeliner. Yeah. And her eyelids have a pastel blue that didn't turn out pastel blue, or purple rather, with the little white flowers. I don't know, you can't see them real well, but they're there.
I can.
And she had the regular eye chips in blue. I put these in, I'm trying to line her up.
Eye chips?
No, I'm trying to line her up in the camera. That was what I clicked off first, were the regular. I didn't really like these at first. It turns out I love them. And then she has, of course, the rainbow. Now that is, to me, pastel. I put those in a lot of my customs. I just really like it, and Darren and I are always chasing rainbows. And then I love these, the purple. Aren't they the cutest? And then, like I said, she has the regular blue. And that is my Pastel Princess. And let's get a good photo for the thumbnail, Darren. Back out.
I like the face. You did such a beautiful job on that face.
You get in closer. Thank you. I appreciate that. This is my Pastel Princess. She is probably the last of this little tradition we have. The dolls have gotten way too expensive. They used to be about half the price they are on AliExpress. They've added shipping, which is bullshit. And taxes, which is also a crock. But shipping in the United States is high enough, but foreign is just, we just can't do it. Thank you, Alexandra, for this darling little dress that my princess is wearing. Thank you to each and every channel that participated in the Pastel Princess. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and go by and do the same for every channel that participated today.